Okay, this video teach you how to install the lock 60 and X5 lever handle. So before that, you have to ensure your measurement hole is already marked out lah. So I did already do the measurement mark out already. So as you can just follow the measurement card to measure out the hole position, then use the correct tools to screw out the hole here. Okay, after that, as well as the mortise side. The mortise, leave a blank here, but you have to put in the mortise to make it can sit on the hole. And then down there should be empty one. So you just drill the proper deepness, and then after that, then should be complete already. And you can see there's a word. This is upside, this is downside. So just follow the what is the word, proper word lah. Just follow lah. If you do like this, it's the wrong one lah. So you do like this. Lowish. Then first, we have to install the mortise. As you can see the mortise, if you wish to change the latch direction, then you can just, as you can see here is a steel piece, you can move one, so you can just turn it, then turn your latch to the direction you want. After that, you can see, then you can turn. But before that, you have to ensure which is your door is front view, and this where is the back view. So my front door is from here. This is my back door. This is my back door. This is my front door. So I already, because this is my front door, so my mortise should be adjusted to the other side. Then only correct. Okay. This. Also, that's why after you push in and close, you will just touch in like this. So this is the correct one. And then the other side, for the second one, you have to adjust the lever handle. So if you wish to, as you can see, the lever handle, you will start like this. You cannot move to the other side, but if you wish to move to the other side, you have to, there's a screw here. We just open it up. After that, okay, after that, you can turn the arrow now. So you can change the direction now. So because my front door is here, so I just put like this. It's a wrong one. So I just turn it back, then screw back. This is the way to change the lever handle direction. Like this should be correct. This. So if you wish to change direction, just open it up, screw, then turn it around, screw it back, then should be okay already. As well as the back door handle. Back door handle like this. If you wish to change the direction, just open the screw here. So you open it up. When you open it up, you can turn your direction. This. So this is my correct one. I just turn it back and screw back up. Okay. After that, first one, you have to install the mortise first. So after you adjust the correct direction of the latch and then the lever handle, you just put in the mortise. Then open your screw pack. There's a screw here. Just screw in the mortise. down one. Okay. After that, go for your front lever hander. You can see there is a top and bottom. There is a screw here. Use your tube to screw it. As you can see, we did provide different length. So the short one should be for the thickness, door thickness around 30 to 40 something. So because my door is around 30 for something mm, so I just use the shorter one. So this one, if you got thicker door thickness, so you can use the longer one. So my one, use the shorter one should be enough. Then you just screw it on it, and as you can see, there's a flat one. The round one, there's a flat thing, flat area, and then the round area. The round area should be bottom. Okay, like this. Okay, so that we got provide different screw length of the square bar as well. So normally you can test a size like this, so should be okay already. But if you ensure your square bar can touch the other side of the lever hander of here, then should be okay already. So because based on my thickness door, I pick the shorter one. If you got thicker, you pick the longer one. My one is long, shorter one should be enough. So as you can just put in. As you can see, there is a hole here, and then the lever hander also got a hole here. So you just put in, and then there is a pin inside the screw pack. You just put in to make the lock not easy to draw out. You can see not easy to draw after you put in the pin. So because the pin is straight one, so I just bend it to make the pin not easy to come out like this. It should be okay already. After you bend it, then you are stuck. After that, pull your wire to the other side from up there. Then square bar go in the multi square bar hole there, and then the top and the bottom go in. It should be okay already. This. Okay. After that, the behind one, ensure your lock is not easy to fall out. As you can see, I'm not easy to fall out. So like this, okay. Make it very fall out. We go for the backside lever hander. There's a screw here. You need to open up. This here is to open the. Used to change the battery one, but you need to install as well. For install. So you open. There's a two area. Is for the screw one, or the screw to go inside like this. So after you adjust that, open it, then you just clip on the wire first, the clipper on top, the god, then clip like this. Okay, so you want to pull out, you can just open out the clip and just pull out like this. Then my one is, this is the front side. This is the front side of the upper clip. Just pull in. Okay. After that, make the wire shorter. You have to push the wire go inside like this. Then you will go around the screw so make you too easy to put in the wire. After that, square bar hole, accurately, just put it. Then after you can just try, just pull your hand, the other two of the side, front handle and back handle like this. Now you can use already. After that, select the proper length of the screw. We got provide different size. I use the intermediate size lah. So I just screw to the other side. And the bottom as well. So then, let's screw it back. You can adjust the rubber here first, see whether got any loose up, then you have to adjust back. Maybe my one okay, looking good. Just so I just screw it. Not screw so tight first because we have to adjust the lever handle, go straight. As you can see, this is the other adjust, so they are clear already. In the front side, adjust. After you adjust, then only screw it. Okay. Then overall, then that should be okay already. You can try handle. If you can see the screw not yet screw in, then just screw back like this. That should be okay already. Try see whether got any stuff and try the handle. Adjust. Okay, like this. Okay already. Then you can just put in your battery and do the lever handle and close up the battery case. Then your 0x6085 lever handle should be complete installation like this only.